Okay, here's the drill. You get, let me first start off saying, you get 2 batteries with it, 2 rechargeable batteries, and of course the battery charger. You get this nice little extension that can kind of swivel or kind of bend in different directions so you can get in those hard to reach places. It's kind of cool. I like that. You get a few drill bits here, your standard sizes. And then you got some mini ones there too. You can see those, some mini ones right here. And the drill itself, it's got the little light. You have your speed adjustment on top. Let's see if I can do this. Speed adjustment on top, right there. And you can bring it down. And of course on the side here you have your reverse and your forward and your lock. And there's the lock. One sec. No, lock. Push it all the way out. Reverse it. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It's 16 volt. I say it's perfect for around the house. Hanging shelves, I mean any do-it-yourself project around the house, 16 volts should be enough. This has got nice power. It's heavy. It's not cheaply made, that's for sure. It's very well made, very well put together. It's a really nice drill for the house, I'm sure, or for any small project where you don't need any more than 16 volts. Again, you get the charger and you get 2 batteries, so that makes doing a job really nice, so you don't have to stop and charge, as long as you have one always charged up. And of course it comes with the manual for it, but also it comes with this nice case here, this carrying case that it actually comes in when you first get it. It's a really nice case. But yeah, there you go. Great for around the house. 16 volts. You got 2 batteries. The battery charger. You get this nice little extension. Kind of can get in any of those weird tight spots because it bends. Of course, you get your drill bits. Your normal size drill bits that you would use around the house, and your screwdriver heads here too. So, yeah, I like it. It's going to be hanging a lot of shelves, I'm sure, or helping with it. Yep, definitely recommend it for around the house.
I really like this drill. It has a nice deep bag, and it's easy to use because it's so deep. Everything can go in here, and you can carry everything around with you and have it all together. So that's really nice. And it has lots of accessories and bits with it that are very useful. It has 2 batteries, and that's really helpful. There's one here in the drill, and there's one over here that's already charged up. Has a little green light on it when it's charged, and before it finishes charging, that little light would be red. But right now it's green because it's all charged up. But having 2, that's really nice. This came with all the bits, and they're all very useful. They have a good selection there. And you can tighten up your bit. When you put your bit in this drill, you can hold on to it right here gently, and that's loose now, but I can reverse this and then tighten it up automatically. Now it's tight. So if I want to loosen it, take the bit out, I just simply reverse this again, gently hold on to this, and it loosens it up. So that's a real time saver, and I really like that. So I'll tighten it up again. It's tight now, and it's ready to go. This is a T20 bit that came with it, and this extension came with it as well. And just a few minutes ago, just to demonstrate how it works, I put a 1.5 inch screw into the wood. I just did that a few minutes ago, and as you can see here, the torque is great on this drill, and you can readjust the torque as you like. So it put that in there with no problem. So it's really a nice feature.
I got this new drill set here. It comes with the drill. There's a light in the front. You can adjust the torque settings here and in the high and low speed. It comes with a bunch of drill bits and these screw sets, an extension. You have your power cable, and you got to use this power cable to charge it. It does come with this USB-C type connector, but again, it's all part of this one charging kit. And they give you a screw set with some anchors. I'm going to go ahead and try it with this wood screw. Gonna put it in here, see what happens. And you can see that it went through very well. Let me unscrew it. No, that seemed to work okay.
Am I really putting it on backwards? Yes, I am. Hold on. Loosen the tip. Perfect.
My replacement today was next day delivered, and the tip is working. If I don't turn it the wrong direction, there we go. And the tip's working on this one. The other one I had to return because the little tip wouldn't come out, and didn't know if it was missing or if it just wasn't coming out. But this one's working. I haven't tried it yet, but so far so good. At least the tip's working.
Too bad. Feels heavy. It's a charging port.